Manuel and Ana Rosa. Manuel and Ana Rosa lived in a small, happy home. They were young and they loved each other very much. Ana Rosa loved her flowers. She grew many beautiful flowers and took care of them every day. Manuel worked hard. He went to the mine to get silver. He came home to Ana Rosa every night. They wanted a baby, but they did not have one. They were still happy. They had each other. Manuel got older. He stopped working at the mine. Now he could spend all his time with Ana Rosa. Every day they went to the market together. Ana Rosa sold her eggs and flowers. They were very happy. They had many years together. They were never alone. One day Ana Rosa passed away. Manuel was very sad. He missed her so much. The chickens went away. The flowers did not grow. Manuel was alone. He holds his hat and remembers their love. He sits on a corner and thinks of her. He is a man remembering his love. Think about it. What is sad about this story? What is happy about it? The end.